Hi, welcome to my new video tutorial. This time I wanted to tell to you about how to check on your connection in macOS. The easier way to do it is to use network utility that you can find a spotlight here, here. And it's a very handy utility that supports a series of functionalities that you can find in Windows 2, but in one only screenshot, like netstat, lookup, trace route, which is very useful, and so on. As you can easily see now, my connection has some problem, and they're really driving me nuts with this internet connection, and I will probably have to switch modem. Anyway, it was down. As you could see now, these problems have been solved, and using ping I have an answer from the server I checked. Alright, so this is a very handy tool to understand if you're actually connected to the internet and what's going on. If I go to trace route, I can understand, for example, which app fails and what's wrong with my connection. It looks like I'm having problems again, but that doesn't surprise me because my internet connection goes on dropping, and this is going on, has been going on for days, so no, anyways, responding. Good. Alright. Another handy trick is having more information about your network from the Wi-Fi icon by pressing down the Alt or Option key. You can have more information here, like the channel use, the security use, the transmit rate, and stuff like this, and the protocol used. Another useful functionality here is port scan that allows you to understand which ports are open on your Mac. For example, I tested POP, I use POP, so I don't see any answer, but and so on. Of course, if you use a firewall, you won't see any answer here. Alright, I take advantage of the last screenshots to give you two basic macOS security tips. The first one is never enable remote management or remote login from sharing. Make sure all those items here are deselected, first of all. Second, enable the macOS firewall, and from here and make sure that you enable stealth mode. What does this mean? That now stealth mode means that if somebody tries to ping my network to look for open ports or open services in order to get more information about my network, or to attempt an attack against me, you won't get any answer, which means all the packets will be dropped. This is very important for your security because you don't want to leave any unused services or open ports you don't use. It would be the same thing as leaving your front door open and then complaining if a thief barges in and robs you. Same stuff. Alright, that's all I had to tell you for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found these tips useful for you. See you in the next video, and have a good one.